Happy New Year. Welcome back, everyone. Here we are, winter term 2021, entering in a blended environment, I guess. Things are looking up, starting to move forward with maybe some normalcy this term. Let's hope, fingers crossed. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Sharon Hamilton. I'm Dean for the School of Health Sciences here at Red Deer College. Welcome to you. And looking forward to working with you all this term in some form, likely. I know we have a school council meeting coming up fairly soon, so hopefully I'll be able to touch base with a lot of you then. Just wanted to send out a quick video today to remind people about what's ahead for us. I know Dr. Nanota sent an email out on Friday regarding our return to campus, our planned return to campus this coming week, starting tomorrow. So there are a lot of programs that will continue in an online environment, but our school is one of the schools that has quite a few students coming to campus and faculty coming to campus. I think the only exception there is our pre-health program, which will remain online, but all of our other programs have students coming to campus in some form, whether that's a lab or some sort of class. I know kinesiology has some classes that are returning face-to-face as well. So I know you've received a lot of communications from different sources over the last week or so regarding processes to follow now that we're returning to campus. So I'm not going to reiterate any of that. I know you should know what to do. And if you're not sure what to do, please reach out to your supervisor, because your supervisor will have all of the information that you need to have. So that could be your associate dean. It could be our ops manager, Andrea. It could be me. And if you're not sure, just talk to someone who you are working alongside, and they'll be able to point you in the right direction. One thing I wanted to talk about here quickly is the messaging that's come out around masking and classes. We've decided as a leadership team in our schools, our preference is that people really try to mask at all times, so continuous masking while you're teaching your classes. I know in some of the communications it has talked about if you can maintain that 2-meter separation, that you can choose to remove your mask. We would really prefer it if you kept your mask on at all times. I know in some classes, for example in kinesiology, where classes are being taught in really big spaces like the gymnasium, and instructors have been set up with some sort of a voice amplifier to assist with that. So if you are thinking that might be something you'd like to try in your class, if the masking is, you're quite muffled and students can't hear you, please reach out to Andrea Pinsent, as I think she has access to some of these amplifiers that you might be able to use in your classes. So please, just a reminder, try and mask at all times when you're teaching. And if any concerns about that, or you want to talk further about it, please reach out to your associate dean, and she can work with you on that. Other than that, only other thing I wanted to mention was the School of Health Sciences office. So we will have the office open this week and throughout the winter term. At what capacity, we're not exactly sure yet. This coming week, so starting tomorrow, there will be somebody in the office every day to support our students and staff and faculty who are on campus. After next week, we'll take a step back and take a look and see how much traffic and where our heavy traffic flows are, and then make some decisions around that, because of course we've been really encouraged to work from home wherever possible, and we want to honor that if we can. So next week someone will be in the office every day. After that, you can stay tuned, and Andrea Pinsent will roll out that information as we understand what it is that we want to do. Other than this, I just want to wish you all the best as you start on this first week back face-to-face. For those of you who have not been, I know our nursing programs, have been trying to get face-to-face, but I know we've got some things going on with AHS right now that are preventing us from doing that. Athletics is in the same boat with some of the sport protocols that are in place. We're not allowed to return to training yet, so our athletics program is in a holding pattern as well. So anyway, keep doing the very best you can do. It's all we can ask. Please be patient with each other and understand that people are doing their best right now, even though their best might not meet the standards of your best. Just keep in mind we're all doing the very best that we can right now. And I will talk to you soon, either via video message or at our school council meeting. Take care. Happy New Year again. Talk to you soon.